Welcome friends, in this video we will solve quiz plus assignment solution of problem solving through programming in C week 6. So let's start it. So in the assignment 6, the first question, which of the following statement is correct? This D, all of the above will be correct, 1 D. And for second it will be B, second B, 2B. And for which statement is correct? 3A, this will be 3A. And for 4, what will happen if the C program will assign the value to an array element whose index is the size of array? So it will be D, the array size would appreciably grow. In the fifth question, the 5C, and the which of the following, this will be 5C. And the for sixth it will be the D, syntax error, because whenever you will run you will get a syntax error. And for the seventh question it will be A. For the seventh question it will be A. And for 8, option will be D. If you run this program you will find the answer will be D. And for ninth question it will be hints will be 8. And then for the 10th question it will be C, 10C. And now I will submit it. You can see we have successfully submitted this assignment. So I will go to the programming question. In the first programming question, we have to something is given, we have to find the largest element. This code just write in your question number 1 in. So here I just pause the video and write this code, and now I will compile it. After compiling, you can see that test case 1, test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting, you can see here the test case 1, test case 2 passed. Now we will go to the question number 2. In question 2, we write a C program to print the array element in the reverse order, and this code is already given previously. And now we will write this code. Just pause the video and write this code, and after writing I will compile and run it. You can see after compiling, the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting, you can see the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now we will solve the question number 3. In this question we have to read two one-dimensional array of same data type and merge them into another dimensional array of the same type. And this previously code is given. Now I have defined the int t variable, which is the type of int. Now I have initialized size with n12 plus n1. Then I have written this for loop to merge. So just pause the video and write this code, and after writing I will compile and run it. After compiling, you can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting, you can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now we will go to the question number 4. In this first question, delete the duplicate element from the array. And the question number 4, here this code is already given, and read the array element in this code, and we will assign a equals to 0, b equals to 0, and then we have used 2 for loop. And if we compare with each another element present in the array, then if we found it, and we will decrease the size and we will remove it. Otherwise we will increment this a++. Just pause the video and write this code, and after writing I will compile and run it. After compiling, test case 1 and test case 2 passed, and for now I will submit it. So test case 1 and test case 2 passed. Now I will go to the question number 5. In this question, the C program to delete the element from the separate location. So this is the already given the code. Now we will write only this 4 line of code. Just pause the video and write this code, and after writing we will run it. You can see that test case 1, test case 2 passed. Now we will submit it. After submitting, you can see here the test case 1 and test case 2 passed. So we have done week 6 assignment, also programming and quiz successfully. So if you like this video, just give a like, and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. And if you want to get more this type of video, don't forget to press the bell icon. And this is our Discord server, where not only C program C, C++, Java, Python, whatever you want. And if you face any doubt, just put this question here, and a lot of programmers are present in online, and they will definitely help you as soon as possible. And I will upload this invitation link in this description from where you can join. So see you in next video.